everyone! Today we are heading to the Lakeview Campground in Alberta, Canada. Lakeview Campground is in Aspen Beach Provincial Park, and it's a popular site for families with children as it is close to a large lake and you can enjoy playing in the water. There are quite a lot of trees, so each campsite is quite private. Each site has a picnic table and a fire pit. Firewood is not included, but you can purchase separately in the site. The ground is flat, making it easy for RV camping. Of course, tent camping is also possible. You must reserve the site as it is popular. I will leave the website link in the description box down below, so please check it out. There are many washrooms all over the place. Fireworks are strictly prohibited here. There is a flush toilet, which is good. There is a separate shower. It was nice to be able to use it right away without the coin or extra pay. However, it seems that it was not very clean because there were many users. There is also a playground nearby, so it would be nice for children to play, but no dogs are allowed to the playground. The best thing about this campground is that you can enjoy swimming or boating on such a large lake. Be sure to bring your own water toys. We also brought our boat like this. This product was purchased from Costco. It looks sturdy and good quality. There are separate floor mats and cushions. It can be fixed for easy rowing. There is a pocket on the side like this, so you can put your personal items or snacks. And now we are ready to go. The water level is not too deep, so it is safe and good for swimming. It's so peaceful and nice. I also really like the boat I bought. Highly recommended. Barbecue after playing in the water is even more delicious. I cannot find any cons from this campsite. Very nice campground and I wanna come back next time. Please follow me on Instagram at iTripWithYou. I post pretty much every day and share my story much faster than here in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Have a nice day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!